If you want to update Instagram on your Android device, make sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, there are two steps to update Instagram application on your Android. The first one is to simply head over to the Play Store, then search for Instagram, and then tap on Instagram logo. And if it says update, you can simply tap on update and update it to the latest version. But if it says open and you're facing some bugs and glitches on your application and you don't have access to some latest features, then you can head over to the settings of your phone, then scroll down and tap on app section. After that, you'll have to look for Instagram, then tap on it, then tap on storage and cache, and after that you'll have to tap on clear cache, then go back, and now you'll have to tap on uninstall and then tap on OK, and your app will be uninstalled. Then you'll have to go to Play Store once again and you'll be able to find an option to install Instagram app once again, and it will be updated to the latest version and all the bugs and glitches will be fixed. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.